So the first confirmed case in the United States of coronavirus was on the 22nd day of January. On the 23rd day of January, David Ingenthaler, who heads our TGEN North program, came to me and said, this is going to be a monster. We need to join the groups that are developing FDA-supported tests, and we need to begin today.
Once we decided to really kick into a full emergency response mode, it became all hands on deck. We repurposed this world-class genomics research lab into a full genomic first responder lab. That meant we had to repurpose not just our equipment, but also our staff and put them in places that they weren't necessarily used to, running a diagnostic lab. The speed of this virus has been matched by the speed of innovation.
There's been this really unprecedented, rapid response of all of these scientists all over the world, just sequencing the heck out of all of these viral genomes that they're getting, and putting the data into a place where all these other scientists can access it.
No doubt that things are moving much faster than they ever were before. What used to take years is now taking months. What used to take months is now taking weeks or even days.
So we've been able to, within a few weeks of us learning about COVID, we can go into these databases and pull down like 100 genomes or 1,000 genomes of this virus.
The tools, the technologies, the approaches that we are known for in cancer are those that we also apply to the genome of this virus.
With genomics, one of our goals is to really carefully map out not just individual samples, but trying to map out all positive samples in Arizona.
We can look at the virus genomes and be able to determine who may be transmitting to whom within the greater population.
If you just know positive versus negative, you really don't have all the information you need to make the wisest decision on whether this is from multiple sources, from one source, and it really helps us deal with keeping this from spreading. It's absolutely remarkable to think that in less than 5 weeks, we could go from the design of an assay that the FDA would approve to actually have performed the first clinical test to support whether someone had the coronavirus. Remember with TGen now, the last few months, 8 hours to return a test to individuals. Think about the times that people were reporting 10 days. We just took a different approach in a different way at a different scale, but we think we've also made a big difference overall for the state of Arizona.